In front of me is OnePlus 15 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flartu Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and thanks to it learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Quick tip, in some of those categories, like dashboard, you can click on tiny sections and not only learn more about the chosen one, but also hit settings at the bottom right corner to find your chosen option in your settings instantly. You can also click on those gears at the top right corners of some sections, in this case operating system, to do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!